So yes, last week. Now, if you load your file, I want you to go to View menu. On Home. Click on Home menu. Click on Transform, so that we conclude what we are doing last week. Okay. We stop on configuration of sales analysis. That's how we stop. Okay. I recall that what we did was we configure our unit price, our sales price, and cost will be fixed decimal places. Those are the things we did last on sales last week. Okay. Now we need two more tables of information, but we are going to get them from a different source, not the SQL server where this will come from. So we are going to click on, come under your home, under the transfer, you see new source. Can you see my mouse? New source. Hello, everybody. Can you see my mouse? New source.
Yes.
So click arrow down here. Okay. And we are going to select test CSV. This. Do you see them? So you click on this. So it's asking me for where is this source file? If you are following me and you are here, click arrow up, 1, arrow up, my solution, then look at resource, double click on it, and open the resource. If your own is not listed, you can list it. This is what I expect you to see. Okay? I need this file, CSV file, reseller sales target. Hello, are we on the same page?
Yes.
Okay, so click on this reseller sales target and click open. You can only open file in this manner one at a time. Okay. Now, this time around, click OK to load it for me. It's already here. Okay, it's already in transformation. Then I will go back to that new source, CSV file. There are two files I want to take. Color format, this. Then I will click open. So this is I told you there are many sources of bringing information to your Power BI. Okay, I have done through Microsoft SQL Server last week. Today, I have done through CSV file. As you are progressing in your journey of data analytics, you will discover other ways of bringing data. Am I communicating? So for this particular class we are in, these are the two major ways we bring data to your Power BI. So how we bring the data to your Power BI? Okay. Look at the seller sales targets. I want to rename it as targets, like we did last week, targets. So I'm calling this table targets. Okay? Good. Now, this is a pivot table. You can see it groups all the information. Okay? It groups all the information. And when you look at the heading, you saw your year, employee ID, you see month 1. So it's telling me it's grouping everything in January 2018, or all of that is grouping them as, is using pivot table to aggregate month 2, month 3, month 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay? But for us to work in Power BI, we need to unpivot them. So to unpivot the months 1 to 12, okay, we will select, click on the column here, this, hold down your control key and click on employee ID. Are we together? Hello, are we together?
Yes.
Good. So have you done what I've done now? So if you have, right-click any of the column and select on pivot other columns. Be careful. I'm not saying on pivot column. On pivot other columns, not on pivot only selected columns. On pivot other columns. So click on it. So you can see that it has aggregated all the value for me. You can see month 7, 2017, month 8, month 9, all along like that. So it has cumulated whatever you have on monthly basis. Notice that column names now appear in the attributes. Can you see? Column name now appear in the attributes. And the value appear in the value column, just like you have there. Okay. Now, we need to, this hyphen, all this is saying there is no record for all these months, all this hyphen. So the first thing we are going to do is to filter the hyphen out. Am I too rushed? Am I in a hurry?
No.
Okay, good. So the next thing we are going to do is to filter all the hyphen. If you scroll down, you will see there are many hyphen indicating the information are not captured. So I want to take them out. I don't need null values. So I will come to this filter place. Can you see? It has listed all the values for me. I will simply uncheck this hyphen. I don't need it, so I click OK. You see now it has filter rules for me. It has removed all the null. So you can now see that 2017, July 2017, August 2017, September, October, November, December. Okay. Remember, for different customers, okay, he is telling me this is the target for this customer in this month, days, for this customer, or for this employee, okay, it aggregates on employee basis. Am I communicating?
Yes, yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to rename attribute to month number. So this attribute, right click on it and rename it. Click on rename this. Two options, either you do that or you double click on it. That's another way to do it. Okay, so type month number. Be careful, look at what I'm doing. Month, capital M began, N, capital N, no space in between them, month number. Rename the value target. This value, call it target. Have you done that?
Yes, we're following.
I'm waiting. Can I move on?
Yes, you can move on.
Okay. Now, note that month number, where I'm saying month number, that means I want to see August as number, July as number, M07 is with character. That's not what I want. So right-click your month number. Right-click month number, this. Look for replace values. Replace values, this. So it's going to bring out a dialog box for you. Okay. Now, in a place we have value to find, type capital M here. I want to take out the M in front of the numbers. So type capital M. So you are simply telling the column that a column month number. Look for where you have M. Replace it with nothing. That's why replace it is empty. So click OK. Hello, are we together?
Yeah.
Good. So I've taken out the string. Please take note of every step we are taking. Take note of every step we are taking. Now, if you look at the side of the month number, ABC means a string. So what you are 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐓, 12, 11, they are not number, they are string, they are characters. So we will turn it to O number by clicking on this ABC, click on it, and select O number, this. Are we together?
Yes. Do you want to do that again, please, Ebenezer?
Okay, let me take it back. This is what you have. Month number is in string ABC. Anywhere you see beside your column header and you see ABC, it means the content of that column is string, characters. Look at your target. It's showing ABC. What you are looking at that seems to be number, it's not number, it's character. You cannot add them together. So for me to turn out the month, remember month is just 1 to 12. Am I correct? Whole number. So I will come to ABC, click on it. It's going to bring out the drop-down menu. Select whole number, this. So it has turned it to numbers. Is that clear again?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Good. So now, let's take another step. On the add column, okay, ribbon. See your add column on the menu. Click on the add column. Under the general group on this side, select column from the first one from example. Column from example, click on it. I hope you are following me. Notice that the first row is 2017 and the month is 7, right? So where you have column 1 here, under this please, column, in the first big cell, type this. Just click under this column 1 and begin to type, don't worry. 7/1/2017. Type it there like that. Have I missed anybody? Are we together?
Yeah, we're together.
Eh?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, sorry.
We are fine, right?
Hello, Ebenezer.
Hello, I'm listening.
Yes.
Listening.
I have, when you did the add column, you selected the column from example, yeah? And you selected the column option as well.
I select column from example, and then now bring out a page that you have column here, column 1.
Okay.
Okay. And I said,
Yes.
click the first. Okay, wait. Let me do that again. This is where we are, right?
Yes.
Okay. We are here in this home, like this.
Yeah.
And I say, go and click on that column.
Yes.
And I say, under the general block, this general, I say, click on column from this. Right?
Yeah.
Column from example. Okay, you click on it, I bring this out for us, right?
Yes.
And I said, look at row 1, under year 2017, under month 7. That is July. So I want to construct a date from July 1. So I simply come to this, I am saying, look, create a date similar to what I want to do. Okay? So I now click under this grid, column 1. I type 7/1/2017. I want to create a date similar to this. This American system. This is the month, no, British. Am I correct? No, month, day, and year. That's American, right?
Yes.
Month, day,
American,
and year.
yeah.
That's American system. So when you are through with that, press enter. So it's going to automatically populate the column with the date, and that's why you have merge. He's telling you he's merging year and month together and supply dates. That's what he's doing there. It's merging month and year and give it date number. Hello, are we together?
Yeah, so can you only do it in that format, the American format? You can't do it in the other version.
If you are British, let me just demonstrate. Others don't cancel anything. I'm the only one. Column from, okay, come to this place. Supposing I'm British. So it's going to be 7 forward slash, no, sorry. It's going to be 1 forward slash 7 forward slash 2017. I press enter. This is British. That is day, month, and year. Day, month, and year. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are dealing with American format here. So So the match column here, the header, right click on it. Oh no, click OK first. So you bring it up here. That's create a date column for you. Double click on the match and call it target month. Press enter. Remove year and month number. We don't need it. So click on year, hold down your control key and click on month number. Sorry. Now Select your year and month. Select year first. Hold down your control key. Click on month. Right-click any of the column and click on remove columns. Are we together? Remove columns. Are we okay?
Yes.
Okay. Come to your target. Click the drop down arrow there. Target is a fixed decimal number. While your target month, instead of string, is a date. Click on date and make it a date. Am I communicating, please?
Yes.
I hope I've not missed anybody. Right? Now, in our documentation, this target is in thousands. So we need to multiply everything on this target column by 1,000. So click on target column like this. Then on the transform ribbon, you click on transform menu here. Inside the number column, are you looking at me? Are you following me? I hope I'm not too fast.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Inside this number column, click on standard. And then click on multiply. Don't forget I've clicked my target before clicking on transform, before clicking on standard, and it brings this one out for me. And I click multiply. I'm saying multiply every cell of this column by 1,000. So I will type 1,000 here. Is that clear?
Yes.
So click OK. So look at your target column. It has converted everything into thousands. So those ones that are in thousands now are showing millions. Okay, good. Let's move on. Check your
Question, please.
Please
Under
go
the
ahead.
target, under your
Yes.
target, I can see you have the dollar sign.
Dollar sign. Yes, I see. I shows. Remember when you pick fixed decimal places. Yours,
My number. Okay.
that is why it's showing me in dollars.
Okay.
If your date is in British format, it's going to show in pounds.
Okay.
So depends on the locale set on your system. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are we all together? Are we all together?
Yes.
Great. Thank you. So finally, look at your tax bar. Look at your tax bar. You will see how many columns?
3.
How many rows?
809.
809. So if yours is different from mine, then something is wrong. Okay, good. Now finally, on the configuration, select your column formats. Okay, you will now look at the header of this column. What do you see there? Notice, what do you see? Look at it.
Color format. Font
Yes.
color.
Look at the table itself now. Look at the columns. What do you see as the header? The first row, what's it showing there?
Font.
Look at your column headers. What is there?
Oh, okay. String, column 3, font color format.
Column 1, 2, and 3. That's not the column. If you look at the next row below, what do you notice there? I have a color, I have a background, color format, font color. So the row 1, the current row 1 is your header. So there are situations your data will show like this for you. So you need to adjust the row column. So in that case, you go to home menu. In your home menu, come to transform. Look at transform block. Can you see transform block?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You will see use first row as header. Do you see your own?
Second.
Use first row as header. Did you see it? Hello. Hello, class. Is anybody talking to me?
Yes, we
Yeah.
can see it.
Can see it.
Okay. So click on use first row as headers. Immediately you do that, you will see it's going to promote your color, background color, font color to be the header. So finally
What
on
did
your
we
state.
just do? What did we just adjust? You mentioned something to adjust the headers, right?
Wait.
What did we do?
Wait. Can you see this table color formats?
Yes.
Can you see the top row there? What do you have there?
Color, background, color format, and font color format.
What's the head of each of the columns? Look at me
Yeah.
now, I'm pointing mouse now. What do you see on the headers on each of the columns? I want you to
Yeah.
read it out to be sure you
Column
are.
1, column 2, column 3.
I want to be sure you are looking at what I'm talking about. Below the column 1, 2, and 3, what do you see?
Color, background color, and font color format.
Okay. Below the color, what do you see?
Black.
Okay. Now, when you are looking at this, which one looks more of header in the items display here?
Row
Which
1.
one? Eh?
Row 1. Color,
Row
background
1.
color.
Good. If you understand that basis, because I identify row 1 as my header, that's why and Power BI has made provision for me that I can choose another row as my header. And that's why it's saying use first row as column header. Use first row as headers. Is that clear?
Yes.
So I will click on it. Because I've already said use my first row as headers. Now you can see that you have your color, background color, font color format as headers. Okay? This takes me to partial end of the configuration. Okay? Check your status, check your task bar. How many columns do you have there?
3 and 10.
How many rows?
10.
10. Thank you. So I just want you to be sure what you are looking at on the screen. Okay? The next thing we want to do is this. This color that you have there, is the color for the products. So I want to match the color and the products. And to match the color and the product. So I'm going to product table. This, I will select on it. Okay. Now I want to merge the column format with this so that every product will assume its own color. So I'll click on products. I will come to home. Under home, you can see your home there, home menu. Okay. Now, when you've done that, you come to combine. Look for combine. See combine. And under the combine see in the block, you see match query, append query, combine files. So I want to match queries. I want to match queries. So I will click on match. So it has brought up a table, because I selected product before. So it's bringing up a product for me and asking me which table do I want to match with. Which table I want to match with. Have you changed the lights? Eh? Yes. Hey, you are disturbing me. Product table. Okay. Now, which table do I want to merge with?
Your screen is blank. Is it me?
Oh,
Yeah, I
sorry. Let
can't
me
see
share my
anything
screen.
either.
Let me share my screen. Sorry. Switch over to another screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Sorry for the interruption. So now I want to merge which table do I want to merge with? So I will come to look at the space below. So I will click the arrow down. By now we should all know that I have told you color format. So I will bring color format here. It's asking me on which column do I want to merge them. I want to merge on color. That's the most common field between the two of them. Color. So I'll select color here. Okay. So everything is like that. So, okay, so it's supposed to show me a privacy window. Did you show privacy? Maybe because I've done my over and over. Hello? Hello, class, are we together?
No privacy.
Hello?
Yes, we can see your screen now.
It's supposed to bring up a privacy level for you.
Wait.
It's supposed to bring up a dialog, but when you see, no, okay.
We have exactly what you have.
Okay. So, but you select color column here, right?
Okay, 1 second. We should select color from the product up and color from. Do we hold down the?
Hold on. No, wait. You have the two tables now. Product on
Oh,
top,
yes,
color format.
I have the privacy level now. Yes, I do.
In front of the local host, click the drop down arrow and pick organizational.
Okay. Local host, I don't know.
In that privacy, there is local host on the line, right?
It's not showing. I just have the yellow, like the database. Okay, I can see that now. So organizational, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
On the second one, pick organizational.
As well, okay.
Yeah. So click on save.
Okay.
So I don't know why it's not appearing for anybody. So you will be where I am now. So if you are here, click OK. Click OK at this point.
Okay.
Are we all here? It has merged. See, look at your color format in form of a table. So this is telling Power BI that you have imported the table to your data. Remember, there was a place whereby we've expanded column last week. So if you look at the right-hand side of the color format header, you will see double arrow, one to the right, one to the left. Expand it. Expand this. Click on it. So, uncheck using original column. I don't need that. This select all, uncheck it. Okay, so that nothing is selected. So go ahead and pick background color format and font color format. That's the only two things I want to select there. Okay, so if you follow me up to this level, click OK. So now we've merged the column. If what is being equal, check our status bar, tell me what is there. Check status bar and tell me what is there. Who is talking to me?
1 second, I'm following the steps.
I call many people to my party. Only few of you are dying with me when you are not talking to me.
So I've just unchecked the select all columns I have, and I've checked background color and font color. So I say okay. Now,
On your task bar, how many columns do you have?
on my 7
Below. 7.
and 606 rows.
Something is wrong, though. You didn't follow my step, man.
So should I click
Hold
delete
on,
the expansion?
hold on. Share your screen. Let me see what you are doing quickly.
Okay.
Okay. Madam. Hey. Holy Spirit. You miss so many things there. So many things is messed up.
What I did was merge the queries. I did that. And I selected
standard course. I can see the product category. It shouldn't be. I've amended those parts. I also didn't attach color format. Okay, please just follow me. I won't go back. Just follow me. I will
stop sharing.
I will share my sales analysis at the end. Otherwise, I waste our time. Please go back and watch the video. You missed so many steps there. Can you see my screen now? If everybody is following me, it's supposed to have 8 columns and 397 rows on these products. That's what you're supposed to see. Okay? Now, hello everybody. Are we together? We want to update the color format query. This. So select the color format query. Now, on the right-hand side, there is query settings somewhere above. There is property. Under you have name, color format, and you see all properties. Can you see these all properties? Hello, are you following me, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Click on the all properties. 1 minute. Click on the all properties. It's going to bring out this dialog box. Now, on this dialog box, disable this enable load to report. That is when I'm true. Don't load this table to my report. So uncheck it. And click OK. This. So on your Power Query, confirm that you have salesperson region, products, reseller, region, sales, targets, and color format, which will not appear when I variably load my data. Is that what you have on your screen?
Yes, 8 queries.
Okay. Victor, is that what you have? I'm not hearing Victor's voice again.
Yeah, I'm just following you, please.
Okay. What about Babatunde? Is that what you have?
Yes, that's what I have.
Okay. Patricia, are you there? Prince, are you there? Rutendo, are you there? Sule, is that what you have?
Yes.
Okay. So I can move on confidently. Thank you. So now, have you done all this? I'm through. Ordinarily, if you have time, this is supposed to be done the same day. Now, I'm going to click on close and apply. Close and apply this. Click on your close and apply. That is, apply all changes that are made and load my data back for me. Okay? So that's what I'm doing now. See, it's loading it for me. It's bringing in my targets. It's bringing in my product that just amended. It's adjusting it with fresh data. Color format is evaluating it, and it's going to drop it because it's not going to bring it up here. Give it some time. Don't be in a hurry. Let it finish. So finally, you will see your canvas. Okay? That's your data pane here. We show products, region, reseller, salesperson region, targets. Okay? Any question for me? This completes my first lab. This is what we're supposed to complete last week. Unfortunately, time was not our friend. Any question for me?
No question.
So at this junction, I will click on File, Save. File, Save. Click on File menu, click on Save. Okay? I will quickly do another thing again for some of us that lost the track. You can go and replace your sales. Two options. It's either you rename your sales analysis, okay, and copy this one there. Well, I prefer you rename it so that when you come to practice, you can see it, okay? So look at this. The current one is on there. So I'm going to pull it to our Telegram. I will delete the last one I uploaded. Okay, I will delete this one. And I will take this. Hello? What was this something
Yes,
to me?
thank you. No, I'm
Yeah.
saying thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm taking this one down. Then I'm going to add the current one, the updated one here now. So this is the updated one. I will select on it. Okay, so, and I will say send. So you're going to send it to your, okay. So having done that, if you know that your file has problem, you can download this. So having do that, so now they are filling that lab. So I'm going to close it and go to the next lab. Remember I told you that we're going to deal with a lot of little things. So next thing I want to do is I want to quickly configure some semantics, some information needed for my analysis. Okay, that's what I want to demonstrate now. Okay, can I move on?
Yes, you can move on.
Good. Now, let's come to the model view, the third button below the right hand. Third button, this one. Okay. Unfortunately, do you remember I mentioned to you there's artificial intelligence embedded in your Power BI, right? So that artificial intelligence has done something fantastic for you. The artificial intelligence look at it and say, oh, all these tables, they have common columns. And that's why we decide to bring them together for you. But unfortunately, that's not what I want. So I'm going to do something for you to understand me. I'm going to take that manage relationship. All these relationships, I'm going to delete them. Okay. So this is the way all my tables should look like. So that it's like in a family house. Okay? They don't know one another. Don't know one another. So now let's come to this report view canvas. Please, are you following me? Hello,
Yes.
are you? Okay, okay. Now, I want to create a table view, table visuals. So in the data pane, I'm going to check category field. It's going to automatically fix it for me. So I will come to product table. I will expand it, and I'm going to check category. Remember I told you, when you don't put any information on your page, it's going to assume information for you. It's going to choose for you that you want to deal with table visuals. because the table, what we went through is it's about table, rows and columns. So that's why I suggest rows and columns for you. Well, I don't have problem. I leave it at that. Okay. The only thing I will do is I will come to formats and change the font of the information. So I will come and say under visual, under column header. So I've told you that whatever I'm doing in this class, I'm going to use time Romans. This. And I'm going to make my header 15. I want it to be bold. And I'm going to click on B. Please, are you doing that? Hello, are you doing that?
Yes.
Okay. If you are done that, okay, I'm going to come under values. These values. I'm going to make the value to have time Romans too. And I'm going to give it font 12. So that it will be bigger. Or let me make it 13. Okay, that's that about that. So expand a bit. Now, I'm going to add another column quickly. I will come under says. Okay, say. What do you notice? Talk to me. Why is my value different? It's supposed to have 77. Let me continue. The value of my own system is changing. It's supposed to be 77. The problem. I will check that later. Other is some.
I have 76 as well.
76 too. Okay. What of others? What do you have? Don't worry, if you have 76.
Sorry, the challenge I
Now,
have is I only have the filter and data. I didn't even get the visualization, whatever on my side.
and you
So
didn't call me back.
no.
Well,
My system is, I don't know, it's just kind of freezing. But it's okay. I
okay.
only have these two.
Watch the video.
I will,
So
yeah.
now, under the visualization, see your sum of cost. I don't want sum of cost. Double click on it and remove sum of in front of the cost. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait. I've done the wrong thing. I bring cost, not sales. Take it out. I want sales. I was wondering. Under sales, look at your sales, not cost. Please check sales. Thank you. Sales. That's not supposed to be sales. Check your sales. So I don't want sum of sales. Double click here and remove sum of. You have your sales. Thank you. What do you take note here? Look at your accessories, your bikes, your clothing, your components. What do you notice? Are you in this class with me? What do you notice? Am I audible? Hello, are you
Can you
there?
ask that again?
Eh?
They're
Are
all
you hearing?
the same
So,
figures.
okay. Will that be correct with your little knowledge of analysis? Will that be correct?
No.
No. It's not possible for us to have the same value as accessory, buys, clothing, component, and also total. Okay? And also total. That's not true. So this issue is that the table is based on a feed from different tables. So the expectation is that each product category displays the sales for that category. That's our expectation. However, because there isn't a model relationship between the tables, okay? The sales table isn't filtered. So your sales table is not filtered by category at all. It's not filtered by category. So to get that one, to achieve that, we will come to this our relationship table, this one. We click on it and it takes us here. So when you are here, you will click on manage relationship, this. Okay, so if you have a fair idea of what I've done here, okay, so now we said we want to create a new relationship. What does it want to do? Let's see. Click on manage relationship. Okay, so when you see that, orderly you see new relationship. So this one is already here for us. So click on new relationship. You are saying, let me dissect your movie in this manner. Okay, let's do it first. So you are saying select from which table? I'm selecting from products. Okay, so now we'll pick your products. Okay, so now pick your product. We want to relate your product with sales. So you come to new relationship, select tables and columns that are related. So you select your sales here. Okay, by default, Power BI will pick common column in each of them, believing that is the column you want to use to link the two tables together. So that is why you see product key here, product key here. Okay, is that clear? So products column in each table are selected. The columns were selected because they share the same name and data type. Product key and the other one. So now, the next thing that remains is cardinality. Your system wants to know where you want to trace from. So there are many types of cardinality. You have 1 to 1, 2 to 1, you have many to many. Okay? And 1 to many. You have that. Okay? But by default, okay, some of these things do plan out. Okay? So the cardinality was automatically detected because Power BI understands that the product key column from the product table contains unique values, 1 to many. Okay? Relationship are the most common cardinality. So these two are shown to us 1 to many relationship. Can you see it? 1 to many. Okay? He said that every one line item of customary will give us say another first line item on the analysis. Okay? So click OK or save. Okay? So I've created a relationship between sales and product on the key product key. That's why you have product key here. For the start, I will close so that I will see my take my reseller out so that you know that there's nothing between them. See my sales, this one, see the sales and the products. You can see that there's a line between product and sales. And I say from products, one item to many items of sales. That means you can have different line of sales of one item in 100 places. That's what you're doing there. Now, having done that between product and sales, let's go back to our former report view. What do you notice, please? Okay.
The respective values are
Come again.
respective values are recorded against each category.
Yes. Respective value are recorded against each of the category. So that's that about that. Okay. Any question for me? So we have to make the relationship is already active, it's working there. Okay, good. So let's say if notice that I've done that, my relationship that I've done that window. So we come to the realization of this. So in the model diagram, notice there is no now a product. Oh, so the two of them are linked together, they become one now. Okay.
Ebenezer, you're able
Yes.
to see this because you have the visualization on yours, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I was just wondering. Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Don't you have visualization on your own? Are you not following what I'm doing?
I am. That's what I said, that I only have filter and data. I don't know why I don't have visualization.
I think we'll check that later. So now you have clear understanding of the data on the page now. Okay. Now I want to create additional relationship. Okay. So that is now I want to create a new relationship. I will keep to one techniques tonight. Want me to do a demo of new one. Okay. Okay. Supposing I want to create a relationship between says okay, a sales table. Let me come back to this place to model view. Supposing I want to create a relationship between retailer. Well, let me start arranging this. Say, bring your product to this side at a later time. You can do that. Okay, so I will drag the seller somewhere here. Okay, so she says here. So you have your reseller here. Now, because, see, I have a reseller key here. I have a reseller key in reseller. I want to link my reseller with reseller in sales. So I simply point to this reseller key, okay, and drag to reseller key here. Yeah. Okay. So when you do that, it's going to bring up menu for you. So it's showing you that I want to create a link between reseller table and sales. And it's telling me it can only be one to many, that one is saying that one row of reseller will have many rows in sales table. That's one to many. Okay. And cross filter direction, single. I don't want it both, but single, one direction at a time. Okay. Any question for me? Click save.
Question from me. You did it from reseller to sales. Can it be from sales to reseller as well? Either direction. Does it make any difference?
Okay. Let me show you. So I simply right click this. Let's. Yes. So you're asking if I drag from sales. So let me see. Reseller key from sales. If I drag this here. Okay, reseller key, I'll drag it from here. Okay, so when you drag it, it still show that. So click on save. So you can see now that if you point to that line at the end, then it's pointing to one to many. That from the seller to the sales. Any question? Is that clear?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. So next we are going to do for sales territory and sales, which is region. So we are going to bring our region, your sales territory here. Should we use the normal one or use the drag method? Which one will you prefer? Hello? Any advice?
Drag is much easier and faster.
Eh?
I said I think the drag is easier and faster.
It's better, right? Okay. So our sales territory key here. Our sales territory key here. Okay. So I'll drag this one to sales territory. May I get it? We didn't drag well enough. Oh, so drag it. So if you drag very well, it's going to create a relationship between region and sales, and that sales territory. So, and cardinality one to many. So pick. We also need to do for salesperson and employee key. Salesperson. Okay, employee key. Look at your salesperson.
Sorry, before you go ahead, Ebenezer, we
Okay.
have the sales territory key in 3 different tables.
Sales territory key. That's a key to link region. Okay, which other one?
Sales, yeah.
Sales. Which one again?
And region, sales, person, region, and sales.
It's only twice now. We
See
have
the
it in
difference.
sales. We have it in region, we have it in sales, we have it in reseller. Okay? The sale
No,
is, hello, are we together?
no, we don't have it in reseller.
Okay, sorry, we don't have it in reseller. Okay. So we have it in region, we have it in sales, we have the key in your sales table. Okay?
Yes, sales per region and sales table. Yes, the three. So my question is it possible to link the three, or it has to be just two?
No, it has to be just two. It has to be
Okay,
just two.
that's my question.
It's also
Okay.
it's also your salesperson region.
Yeah, that's what
Okay?
that's what I was pointing you to.
Yeah.
We have
Okay,
it in
thank
three
you.
places. Yeah.
Yes. Don't worry. Now we want to that's my over to okay. Target. Okay. So now the next one is salesperson employee key. This and see employee key here on sales. So we are going to again drag the employee key from here to sales on the employee key. And see that salesperson and sales, and they are related on employee key. This. Okay. So everything is good. Click on save. Good. Arrange your table to make it more neater. So I have my product here. I have my sales. Let me take my target off here. Okay. Take salesperson. So bring my salesperson here. This one will be at the middle. Okay. Now look at your, so now it's done, right? So I put a, okay. So now we keep aside salesperson region and target. And arrange this one properly. Okay. So now look at your region here. Look at your sales here. Okay. Now look at your sales in between 4 of them. So good. Yeah. Now, having done that, click on File, Save. Click on File, Save. Okay. Want to take a little face off, want to go and create, want to configure a product table. Okay. So, having done that, the next thing we want to do is to configure product table. Product table. That is We want to make some changes on our product, this one. So, we are model view. In the data pane here. Okay. Now, expand your product table here. Okay. So you have all the fields there in the product table. Now, we are right-click on category column. So, okay, now right-click on the now. Okay, I want to create a category. I want to create a category. So when I right-click category and I say create category, are you sure you want to? No, don't worry, I'm not. So it has given me a structure for create category. Do you understand this? Okay. Okay, so right click. Now under the name category, under the property, okay, label the products. Products and press enter. Have you done that? Hello, how many people are following me? Okay. Hello, class, are we there?
Yes. Yeah.
Are you following what I'm doing? Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we want to create a category called, we want to create a grouping. Okay. Category is meant for grouping. So I start with category, right click on it, create category. So I name the category hierarchy. Create an hierarchy. I call it products. I'm creating an hierarchy. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you have your, sorry, I think I need to adjust something. I've, So I'm going to take out, let me take it again, let me delete this, delete from model, so that I don't confuse you. Okay, I'll take out products. Okay, so let me take it again. Right click on category. create hierarchy. And I want to name my hierarchy products. This. Now, under the property, see below, you have hierarchy. You need to add other levels to it. So, other levels to it. You need to put it there. I need subcategory. You say select column to add to the level. Select subcategory. Okay. And finally, the other one, the next level is product. So these are the three levels you had. Then click on apply level changes. That's when it's going to create product hierarchy for you. And when you come to product hierarchy and expand, you see product, category, subcategory, products. Okay, good. Is that understood? Do you understand that now?
Means that, to be honest, I'm lost. I watched the video.
Come again.
I said, to be honest, I'm lost. I watched the video. Don't worry. I'm lost.
Okay. I'm going to stop the class here. It's already 12. We are supposed to stop 12:30. So that, stop the video, please.